Hello children, how are you? I hope you must be good, taking care of yourself. Now children, I am going to revise lesson number 8, that is inner tunnel. Now, inner tunnel is talking about a tunnel, you know that it is blasted with the help of the dynamic when there is a huge mountain and you have to make a passage to go to the other side of the mountain. So now these three children, now it is a story about the three children over here whose name is Philly, Peter and Bobby. Now Philly is about 12 years old and Peter is about 10 years old boy and Bobby is about 8 years little girl. Now these three children, they belong to a very rich family, very wealthy family with all the comforts and luxuries. They had a huge castle, like castle you can say, and with lots of maids and butlers serving them, looking after the house. So, but it so happened that one day the policeman arrested his father and took him to the prison. As why? Because he was not a bad man. He was a revolutionary man. Like he used to revolted against fighting for the people's right. So, as such, you can say he was a freedom fighter. You can say. So he was arrested and his wife could not, like the children's mother could not able to maintain the standard of the living. As such, they had to sell everything, give up everything, and she took a cottage near the railway lines, railway tracks, where often the trains used to pass by. Whenever the trains used to pass by, these three children, Felice, Bobby, Peter and Bobby, they used to feel very happy. They used to wave hands to the passengers sitting in the train, and at times the passengers returned back to their gesture by waving them back. So in this way, these three children used to feel very happy and used to be engage themselves in this way, roaming about, collecting berries and all. But one day when they were roaming about near the railway tracks, they happened to come across a tunnel. Now Bobby, among the three children, Bobby was little bit daring. He told his sister, let's go inside the tunnel. The sister said, no, it's very dangerous and very scary also. Because if the train comes, they will be trapped inside. So they won't be able to come out and something mishap can take place. But Peter, he said that no, sis, you don't worry. I have brought a candle and a matchstick with me, and if it is dark inside, we will lit the candle so that there will be plenty of light for us to see when we are walking on the railway tracks. Then still there was a hesitation, but she was also very eager to get inside into the tunnel. Now there is a question, right children? Generally when the train enters the tunnel, the old people, now what they do, they pull up the shutter. Like when you go to the train, when you are traveling in the train these days, when you want to close the train, we pull down the windows. But in those days, you have to pull it up, right? And then put a latch from both sides so that they do not fall down, right? So that is why so what are the things like the old people generally do when the train enters the tunnel? Now we'll see that when the train enters the tunnel, the people sitting inside the train, inside the carriage, railway carriage, generally the old people, what do they do and why do they do? They pull up the windows. As I told you in previous time, the windows were pulled up, not down. These days we pull down, but in previous days the windows were pulled up. They were pulled up. Why? to avoid loud noise of the tunnel. When you get inside the tunnel, the train rattles more. It makes a huge noise. Why? Because it echoes. The sound echoes into the inside the tunnel. Next is when the train is entering, when the train enters inside the when the train is running, the train is run with the help of what? Coal and water. Now when it is burning, they produce smoke. So in order to prevent the smoke of the engine to enter inside the carriage. Why? Because the smoke is carbon dioxide or monoxide, which is very harmful for a person to inhale, right? For this very reason, they used to close the window. Next is, then there, like usually when you travel, next to your seat there is a strap, leather strap to hold, right? So what they do, they catch hold of the strap, leather strap, with this thing tight grip, so that in order, like when there is a jerk or when there is a movement, big movement, they do not fall down, right? And next is when the train is right deep inside the tunnel, the headlight of the lamps, like the bulbs which is glowing, which is burning inside, it starts glowing more. Why? Because because the full tunnel is dark, and when there is one light glowing, it seems it is night, right? Yeah, and the bulb glows more. It looks more brighter than during the daytime. So this is the reason why the old people generally they do these things, following things when the train enters the tunnel. Now next is when the train enters into the tunnel, it makes a rattling noise because of the movement of the train, right, on the line, and there is no outlet for the sound to escape, so it echoes. The sound echoes. It becomes very dangerous. Scary. Now, and in that dark inside the tunnel, the fire, it looks like a dragon, burning dragon, like red dragon. It looks very fierceful, dangerous, as if fire will come and engulf you, will take you inside itself. So now Philly, like three of them had entered, but at that very moment the train came and they were unable to return back. So what they did, there was no other place to hide out. They hid in the manhole, like inside the wall there was a manhole, like over here. This is called a manhole. They went inside. It was filled with water. Their shoes, their socks were dirty. And they could feel like the floor was trembling, the wall was trembling, and the loud noise was echoing into their eyes and all. And finally, as the train was proceeding further, and this thing went out of the tunnel, the sound of the train also diminished. It withers slowly. So they are talking about their experiences. These three children are talking about the experiences that Peter, who pretends to be very bold and daring, even at that time when the train was passing them, he also got scared and he caught hold of Feli's skirt tightly, right? He was also feeling very scared of what was happening. So, and finally when the train is out from the tunnel, the sound also is also disappeared, and again in that empty tunnel you can hear the dripping of the dripping water of the droplets of the water, you can only hear that. Now that's it for the day, like children. I hope you must have understood the story thoroughly and carefully. Please pay attention to whatever it is written on the board. Mark it, note it down in your notebook, and while you are preparing, take help from these points and study. Have a good day.